IELTS Speaking Part 3. Topic: Environment. What are some of the most important environmental issues today?
Some of the most pressing environmental issues include climate change, pollution, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity. Climate change is particularly concerning because it has long-term effects on weather patterns and ecosystems. Air and water pollution also pose serious health risks to both humans and wildlife. Addressing these issues requires global cooperation and immediate action.
How can individuals contribute to protecting the environment?
Individuals can make a significant impact by adopting sustainable practices in their daily lives. This includes reducing waste, conserving water, and switching to renewable energy sources like solar power. Additionally, using public transport or cycling instead of driving can reduce carbon emissions. Small actions, when done by many people, can lead to major environmental improvements.
What role do governments play in environmental protection?
Governments play a crucial role in creating policies and laws that help protect the environment. They can impose regulations on industries to reduce pollution, incentivize the use of renewable energy, and invest in green infrastructure. Governments can also raise awareness through education and support international agreements to combat global environmental challenges like climate change.
Do you think people are aware of the environmental problems?
While environmental awareness has increased over the years, not everyone is fully informed about the severity of the problems. Many people are aware of issues like plastic pollution and climate change, but may not understand the long-term consequences or how to address them effectively. Education and media play a key role in spreading awareness, and more people need to take responsibility for their actions.
What are the main causes of pollution?
The main causes of pollution are industrial activities, deforestation, waste disposal, and vehicle emissions. Industries often release harmful chemicals into the air and water, while excessive use of plastic contributes to land and ocean pollution. The burning of fossil fuels for transportation and energy is a major source of air pollution. Reducing these causes requires both systemic changes and individual efforts.
What are some ways to reduce carbon emissions?
To reduce carbon emissions, we can shift to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. Increasing energy efficiency in homes and businesses is another key strategy. Governments and companies can encourage electric vehicles and public transportation to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. On a personal level, individuals can reduce their carbon footprint by consuming less, recycling more, and supporting sustainable products.
How can companies be more environmentally responsible?
Companies can become more environmentally responsible by adopting sustainable practices in their operations. This includes reducing waste, using eco-friendly materials, and investing in energy-efficient technologies. Additionally, companies can create green supply chains and promote the use of renewable resources. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives can also help raise awareness about environmental sustainability.
What do you think about the use of plastic?
Plastic is a major environmental problem because it is non-biodegradable and accumulates in landfills and oceans. Single-use plastics, such as bottles, straws, and packaging, contribute significantly to waste. I believe that reducing plastic use is crucial, and alternatives like biodegradable or reusable products should be encouraged. While plastic is useful, We need to find sustainable ways to manage it to prevent long-term harm to the environment.
How do you think technology can help in protecting the environment?
Technology can play a vital role in environmental protection by providing innovative solutions. For instance, advancements in renewable energy technologies, such as solar panels and wind turbines, make clean energy more accessible. Additionally, smart technologies can optimize energy consumption in homes and cities. Moreover, technology can assist in monitoring environmental changes and predicting natural disasters, helping us respond more effectively.
Do you think environmental protection is a shared responsibility?
Absolutely, environmental protection is a shared responsibility. Both individuals and governments must take action to preserve the planet. While individuals can make changes in their consumption patterns and reduce waste, governments are responsible for enacting laws and policies that promote sustainability. Companies also play a vital role in adopting eco-friendly practices. Together, these efforts can lead to meaningful change in the fight against environmental degradation. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.